Hello everyone. Today we are analyzing the TI Classic entry-level analog to digital conversion chip ADC0832 CCN. Now, this is universal ADC, produced by Texas Instruments, featuring Adababa plug-in package for easy welding and debugging, making it suitable for experiments, prototype development, and small batch production. The suffix NOP is a lead-free environmental label that complies with our OHS standards and matches the parameters of the original model. It is in 8-bit resolution, sequential approximation, ADC with dual channel input, featuring a minimalist 3-wire serial interface that significantly reduces micro controller I/O ports, supports single-ended and differential inputs, with an integrated clock circuit and AR-UV reference source, requiring no external components. The peripheral circuit is simple and easy to get started with. Core parameters: 5伏 single supply power supply, maximum sampling rate of 31 kHz, conversion time of 32 microseconds, linear error less than ELSB, extremely low power consumption, standby current of only 0.5 mA, compatible with battery-powered devices, operating temperature from 0 CTO 70°C, meeting the needs of the vast majority of civilian and general industrial applications, widely applied in microcontroller data acquisition, sensor signal conversion, battery voltage monitoring, temperature measurement, and various electronic experiments. That's the complete analysis of this chip. If you have any procurement selection or technical consultation needs for electronic components, you can send your requirements via the email on the business card below the screen, and it will provide you with a professional quote and a on-the-stop solution as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you next time.